after performing IATC, you must document the findings to your patient, right? Date and time, and good day, ma'am. My name is Karen Saunders. Today I'm going to perform IATC, inspection of palpation, percussion, and palpation. First, explain the procedure to the patient and verify the name of the patient. Good morning, ma'am. May I know your name and your age for your verification? Okay. My name is Karen. Today I'm going to perform to you the AIT inspection of palpation, percussion, and palpation. First, I'm going to perform the inspection. I'm going to inspect your skin color. Okay. And then your fingertips. Okay. Then I'm going to perform the auscultation. Inhale. Sit. Inhale. Upon the stretching, you're breathing from normal. In the bed, going to I'm going to perform the percussion. This is the indirect percussion. And this is the direct percussion. Next, I'm going to perform the palpation, abdominal palpation. Before anything else, break the patient. You're going to palpate first the left upper quadrant. This is leg palpation, left lower quadrant, and right lower quadrant. Right upper quadrant. Next is deep palpation. Then after performing IATC, you must document the findings to your patient, right? Date and time, and